isn't it a great day, guys? Yes, Red. Remember the time that we saved the eggs from the pigs? Yeah, but everybody refused to believe me because Leonard stole the eggs in the first place. But they're up to something. But I was right the whole time. Yeah. So we get to Piggy Island and destroy their homes as payback for wrecked your house, right? Yeah, that's a long time ago. Yeah. Well, at least we're in this together. So, Red, why do you think you're the only bird who's ever known? Well, someone was going to kill my parents, and then I fall, and then some birds from Bird Island send me in the egg on the lost and found room. And I punch the egg, and I come out, and so everyone thinks I don't fit in with the other birds. Oh, yeah. Come again? Years pass. I would try to be cool. Sometimes I always get angry every time. I always wanted to see the real mighty eagle, but the hatchlings told me that he retired and he didn't show up. And he called me Eyebrows. Right. Yeah. That's what happened, huh? But then, until then, no one understands me. And I got kicked out so many jobs. And I used a job at trying to get to Tiffany's birthday. So I accidentally made myself into a clown. And Tiffany was freaked out about clowns. He's not interesting. And I rate the list of Tiffany. He doesn't like clowns. And I accidentally made a mistake. But Edward told me that I was late. But I told him that is not true. I made it in time. Oh. And what happened next? He didn't believe me. And he made me angry, and I threw the pie on him, and then I accidentally stepped a squirrel and balled his kid on the egg. But the green hatchling bird thinks I'm his dad. But then he forced me into anger management class as my punishment for the bad stuff. Right. That makes sense. Yeah. But then Leonard and the pigs destroyed my house with an anchor after he arrived. I refused to believe him. Yeah. And then he stole the eggs, and we went to Piggy Island, destroyed the homes at Piggy Island, and get the eggs back, and the mighty eagle returns from his retirement and saved the eggs, and it was a success. Our plan worked perfectly. And everyone understands me now. They think I'm a hero. And I am special now. Just like others. That was awesome. I loved it. Yeah, you can say that again, huh? But sometimes I still have some anger issues, right? Yeah. Yep. I'm the smartest one. Just like you two. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So, we're best friends, huh? Yup. Together with us. Come on, let's go. Let's go have some anger fun. Wow. That was awesome. Hey, wait for me! I love it, Wet. So, what are we doing now? You'll see, Bomb. Awesome!